It's raining like crazy, so good morning. We will not start walking now, we will wait out the rain. But look at that crazy rain.
And day 43, and we begin to walk along beautiful houses again. All these houses here in Dalarna.
Yeah.
It's
the rain
amazing.
stopped. We have a thunder warning around us.
Ah.
I saw that on the computer before I packed it down. It's
We have to see, but no rain at the moment, no thunder at the moment, and just 15 kilometers to walk today. The post boxes is matching the houses, and we slept. Oh, what a cabin! It has it all. It was amazing. So shout out to Magnus, who owned that cabin. He did a great work with that one. So
even today we found a toaster.
yeah.
We toasted in the oven yesterday because we maybe no toaster, but if you open your eyes and not so tired, you see the toaster.
Yeah, but I think that was because that was a white toaster, so it was so more beautiful than we are used to. We are used to the metal toaster.
That was fun. Really fun.
But the oven, well, it worked out just fine.
Yeah. But it's gonna be a nice surprise for today because it's almost double the price we sleep in Muora tonight. So it's gonna be 100% better, and I really don't think they can have that because this cabin, it has it all. Perfect internet, everything you need for cooking, perfect bed. I slept like a pig for the first time in many days, so that feels good as well. So so how is the $200 hotel gonna manage?
It was beautiful. Now we have to see. Double the price, but I don't think it's going to be double the comfortness. Is that the word?
Yeah, that's what's going to be interesting. And this was one of the cheapest accommodations in Muora because it's holiday season, so all the prices was very expensive.
Yeah, because in this area I saw on the map that is Tomteland,
Santa Claus land.
Santa Claus home. So people visit this even in the summer because Santa Claus is living there in the summer as well. Obviously, because that's his home.
And they have this in Finland as well, so that's a little bit hilarious.
Yeah, so it's many Santa Claus up here. Yeah. Hej!
Hej.
God morgon!
And a road in the middle of the water. We got water there, and absolutely stunning views. And we just talked about, me and Anna, how we are feeling today, because we have, is it 3 or 4 long days in a row? I can't remember, but at least 3 super long days. Yeah, 80 kilometers in 3 days we have. And we feel okay. Anna's left foot hurts a little bit, but otherwise we are just tired in our bodies like it should be. So it feels good, feels really good. Have you anything to add, my friend?
No. I feel strong in my body.
Yeah, So the sickness have left us, hopefully, and now the wind is picking up as well. Now we got a high bridge, but the views, I love walking like this when you can see the views. You see so far away the cabins. If I had a boat, I will go to that little island and explore everywhere. And there's an island as well, just with trees, and there too. That's what we really like to explore. And again, I like to say thank you to all of you who support us every day, watching our videos, subscribing to the channel, making nice comments to us. Makes us so happy. It's so fun to wake up and read the comments and answer a comment, because so thank you, beautiful people, for all the support.
Another great dirt road. So into the forest, into the mosquito land again. It's a good breeze though.
Yeah, perfect condition for walking. It's cold and breezy. Maybe 15, 16 degrees.
Yeah, compared to yesterday, it's cold.
Yeah, and great views to lake, cabins. Great start of the day.
Another bridge.
What kind of bird?
A herring?
Yeah, can be.
Can be a herring. Poncho on. But we got quite far. We just have 1 hour left.
Yeah, maybe.
So we have been walking in the rain for some time, but now it was poncho time. But no rain pants yet, and no jackets under because it's going to be too hot. So hopefully, if we run, we don't get so wet in our boots. But soldier on in the rain. It was too much rain without the pants, so we took shelter in here. Hopefully the owner doesn't mind.
No, and I haven't seen anyone. I would wave to someone and say we're just here for the rain, but I cannot see anyone.
So coffee, popcorn cake.
Well,
Yeah.
with chia seeds and ocean salt.
So a little bit of snack, and then we'll continue. The pants is on, and it doesn't stop to rain. We have drinked up our coffee, and but we couldn't wait anymore, so we have to keep the trousers on and keep walking. And we see a lot of these old midsummer poles. We have arrived to Mora. So now we're going to the ICA supermarket to get the parcel, our package.
Go over here.
Yeah, our package with
That's beautiful over there.
I don't. Can you see the fountain? Hope you can. So we can fix our tent. So that we're going to get first, and then we're going to the hotel. Now I can fix the tent.
Turn right onto the target room.
Is this thumbnail? Yes, it is. And now we hit the accommodation.
Yeah.
So, Muora Hotel and Spa by the church, if you want to join us tonight. So let's try to check in, but we're a little bit early, so I don't know if we can check in. And today we have walked for only 17 kilometers, so a short walk day today. So, but let's try to check in.
They're cleaning wagons.
Yeah, welcome home. I have cleaned the room.
Ah, you made the room.
Of course, my
And look at this. I think my donuts is matching the chair and the wall. Perfect. Lucky me.
an affair.
I like the colors.
Yeah,
Oh.
beautiful.
Look at this. It's matching. So, TV comes and it's one bed then. Makes me really happy.
Yeah.
I thought this were two single beds, but one bed. A fan, desk. Shower, conditioner.
But again, yesterday was, we said $90, but I think it's like $85.
Yeah.
And today it's like $190. And
This is overpriced.
Yeah.
This is, and look at this room. It's a nice room.
Super nice,
Yeah,
super nice.
but-
I'm just comparing to yesterday, because yesterday it was maybe the best cottage I never ever slept in. Makes me so happy. So.
But I can see in the camera it looks better in here.
It always does.
Yeah.
It always does. But this is going to be beautiful to make a little donut video for tonight, so we can set that one up as well. But a beautiful room, and I think this is bye for now.
Yeah.
This is the end of day 42.
Two.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm happy we are here, and we got the flag and everything outside. And fresh air, of course. I always open the window because I want the fresh flag. And we got fresh flag, fresh air. Sorry guys, I'm exhausted. And the check-in was at 3, but now it's over 3. We had to wait because there were a couple of dumb before us. So, oh, can we ask this? Can we ask that? But it is what it is. But now hit the shower.
And we will not.
Not hit the shower.
No, definitely, but we will not wash our backpacks here.
No,
No.
I will not.
No.
No.
I'm gonna fix the tent. I'm gonna eat some donuts, but that's another video.
Yeah, both the tent and donuts are equal. Other videos, but
Other videos.
less talking, more showering. And do you want to have the guys for the shower?
No.
Because I don't want. I want to have a private shower. Are you okay with the guys joining you for shower? Or we
No,
say
no,
bye bye.
no.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow morning.
Yeah, see you. Bye bye.
See you to breakfast.